So I'll be showing you how to check your voicemails on your iPhone. Now, it mainly depends on your carrier and how you've set up your voicemail. But for most people, going to voicemail simply requires pressing the phone icon. And when the dial pad appears, you should see a voicemail icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on it. And then here you have, now since I have two different SIM cards, it's going to show me network provider voicemail for my primary SIM card and for my secondary SIM card. And then also I can just call voicemail. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in loudspeaker so you can hear.
Welcome to the voicemail service. To continue.
And it works like that because my provider has set it up like that. Okay, now also your provider might give you a specific code that you can dial to get into voicemails, and so you can listen to your voicemails. For instance, one of my providers, the number is 132, and all I have to do is call that number and I should get into my voicemail.
Welcome to the voicemail service. To continue, please enter your PIN.
Okay, so I'm not gonna go on. So those are the ways you can access voicemail on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.